In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to properly create and manage 301 redirects in Shopify. Redirects are important to avoid broken links and 404 errors across your site, which negatively affect your store's user experience, SEO, and conversion rates if not properly managed. While Shopify automatically creates redirects when you edit the URL of an existing published page, you will need to manually create redirects for any page, product, collection, or blog post that you unpublish or delete from your store. Up until a year or so ago, you needed an external app for this, but now you can manage 301 redirects with Shopify's built-in functionality. So here we are in Shopify's URL redirect section. And honestly, the hardest part about managing your redirects in Shopify is just remembering and finding where to manage them from, because it's not intuitive where this option exists. So what you need to do is go under Content, Menus, click that. And in the top right corner, you'll see URL redirects. And then to create new redirects, just click the button, Create URL Redirect. Couldn't be any more straightforward than that. And here's just where you'll input the details of each URL that you want to redirect from. So just put from, collections, and whatever your full URL is, a product, pages, blog posts, whatever that may be. And then the corresponding URL that you want to redirect the page to. And if it's an internal link, so you're redirecting to another page on your store, you can just start with a slash and then just add the full slug there. But if you want to redirect to an external site, then you'll need to add the full HTTPS, full URL there with not just the slug to make sure it goes to the right place. And really, it's as simple as that for just creating redirects. I'll save it. And as you can see here, in the main URL redirect section, you'll see a list of all the redirects that you've created. So you can manage them just by clicking on any of them. And you'll see the details. You can edit or delete them from here. And you can bulk manage them as well from the previous menu. Not sure why it's taking so long to load here. There we go. So yeah, if you want to make any modifications here or redirect to a different page, just update that accordingly. Click Save to change that. I'm going to discard here. That's how you can manage the URLs one by one. There's different sorting features as well, filtering if you really want to, need to dial that down. You can also export the redirect. So if you want to play around, make any bulk changes there. And most importantly, you can bulk import redirects as well. So this is really important and helpful if you're migrating your store from a different platform, BigCommerce or whatever, to Shopify, where you can just set out all of the URLs to redirect them at once instead of doing this one by one. So here's just an example template that you can use, which I'll link in the description below. But really, it's as simple as just putting in the first column where you want to redirect from, and then the final URL that you want to redirect to. And what you want to do is just have that all set out, save that as a CSV, then come back here, click import, and just simply add that file in order to just bulk import all the redirects. And that's pretty much all you need to know about creating and managing redirects in Shopify. It's really as simple as that, just remembering where to find this option in Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a quick like. And for more tips and tricks, you can download my full 90-page Shopify technical SEO guide, linked in the description below, to learn how to properly set up and fix your store's technical foundation, even if you're not a developer or have any technical skills whatsoever. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.